everyone, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel Mahi Way. So for today, I'm going to be sharing with you a natural glam makeup tutorial. So this is the look which I created for this video. So this was requested to me by Priya Soor. So she wanted me to share a natural glam makeup look. So let me clear it. अगर आप बोलते कि natural makeup, then it would be a more of a no makeup look. You said natural glam. So that's what I created this look, which is a bit glam but still natural and wearable. So yeah, if you're interested in this video, then please keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So to start with, I have already moisturized my skin, as you can see. So to begin with, I'm gonna use this Triveda Kumkum. This is not the Triveda oil, मुझे भूल क्यों जाता है. This is just pomegranate oil and hopa oil mixture. I'm just gonna take 2-3 drops of it and make sure कि अच्छे से warm हो जाए. And then I'm just gonna apply it onto my skin. I don't know why my skin feels a lot dry today, like very dry. I've already moisturized it, but still I'm applying some. How are you all? Like, I have been filming after 3 days. Like, basically I started watching Vampire Diaries on Netflix and I'm getting crazy about it. It's very hard to resist myself to sit and film when I'm on the 3rd season, and like in 3 days I'm on the 3rd season, so you can just imagine how much I'm into that. So yeah, I just wish to have someone like Stefan in my life. Okay, so for primer, I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfecting Primer. So आप में से किसने देखी हुई है Vampire Diaries? See my face. So you just need to look at my face and you can clearly see I have a bit of a square and a round face. My face is not fully round. It's a bit square and then like a round face. So if your face is somewhat like mine, reverse contouring looks really good and healthy on us. ऐसे भी reverse contour, reverse foundation. So reverse foundation is like जैसे हम फाउंडेशन अप्लाई करते हैं, देन वी गो विद कंसीलर, कॉन्ट्योरिंग, एंड वो आपके स्किन पे विजिबल होता है कि हाँ आपने यहाँ पे कॉन्ट्योर किया है, यहाँ पे कुछ किया है. बट जब आप फाउंडेशन टेक्निक यूज करते हो, सो यू डू द कॉन्ट्योरिंग एंड द कंसीलिंग पार्ट बिफोर अप्लाइंग योर फाउंडेशन. दैट वे इट लुक्स वेरी नेचुरल and yet glam. So that's what I'm gonna do. So first I'm gonna use a concealer to brighten my under eyes in all the areas where I need the brightness, and I'm gonna use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. I really like this concealer. Just gonna apply it. लुक्स अ लॉट, बट ये बहुत कम लिया मैंने क्योंकि मैंने ज़्यादा ट्विस्ट नहीं किया था. जितना था मैंने उसको स्प्रेड कर दिया. That's why it looks like I have applied a lot of product. So to blend it, I'm going to use my Pro Art brush. Those of you who haven't watched Vampire Diaries on Netflix, you should watch. Like, it's a really nice show. I'm recommending this to all my friends because I'm obsessed with it right now. So pretty much I've blended the concealer. Now next I'm gonna contour my face, conceal. So basically we use a liquid concealer, like a liquid contour, powder nahi. So I'm just gonna apply it. I'm gonna blend it using my Blue Heaven makeup sponge, which is already dirty, but still I'm using it. I am a mess, don't do this. In this into your skin nicely. So now that it has blended into my skin, now I'm gonna take this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. So it has a good coverage, but still I'm gonna use it. But if you want if you do reverse foundation. If you use reverse foundation technique, you don't need to use a full sort of coverage foundation, but still this has like a mediumish coverage, so I'm going to use it. You can also go for a sheer coverage one. So as you can see, it's a bit darker on my complexion. So I'm going to blend it using the same brush, and now we're going to just dab this onto our skin. And that's pretty much it. So if you can see, this is a bit darker for complexion, so I'm going to use a concealer to balance it. But for a natural look, if you're doing like a reverse foundation technique, you don't need to use your concealer again. It's all depends on you. अगर आप natural look बोलते तो मैं इतना foundation नहीं apply करती, but you said natural glam, so that's why I'm doing it in this way. So I'm just gonna apply some here, some here. So now I'm gonna blend it using the same brush. And I've used the Swiss Beauty concealer in 03. I really like this concealer, so that's why I'm using it. Now it's nicely blended, and look how flawless my base looks. It looks really flawless on camera and even on my mirror. So yeah, so now we're just going to need to set it using a setting powder. So I'm going to use this Fit Me Loose powder, and I'm going to set my under eyes first. See the difference? See, the shine is gone. So now to give a bit of dimension to my face, I'm going to use this Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm just going to lightly tap it onto my skin. So for my blush, I'm going to take this Savannah Shim Blush Ultra Blush Palette, and I'm going to take this Peach shade as my blush for today. I'm just going to take a bit and I'm just going to dab it onto my skin. So it's a natural look. Apply it onto your nose. So peach one looks really elegant. So natural look के लिए peach, I think peach blush looks better than a pinkish blush. Just what I feel, you can do what you feel. So now I'm gonna take my Blue Heaven makeup fixer to set everything on place. I'm gonna do my brows, and for that I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty brow pencil. Brush side, I'm gonna drag my eyebrows downward, and I'm just gonna draw a line, and I'm gonna fill in. So I did my this eye, and it looks really natural. I haven't applied any lashes, but still my lashes looks really good and I love it. So I'm going to show you what I did. So basically I took the Magic palette, and you can see how much I love this palette, you know, because I've been using this from so long. So I'm going to take this shade, and I'm just going to apply it as my transition shade. So basically what the thing is, you can even go for a brown color, but I wanted to keep it peachy and natural, so like a peach natural glam. So I'm going very light, तभी मैंने बिल्कुल last से brush को पकड़ा है. So next I'm gonna take this orange shade, and I'm gonna take it in the same brush, and I'm gonna blend that too. This charm shade and this snake shade, and I'm just gonna apply it onto my lids very lightly, ताकि बस थोड़ा सा hint मिले glitter का, but इसे overpowering ना लगे. Now I'm gonna take a pencil brush, and I'm gonna take the darker orange shadow, and I'm just gonna apply it onto my waterline. So I got a lot. I always get a request about the brushes, so I have shared a brushes video as well. You can check that, but I'm gonna share more because I got a lot of brushes, but these two brushes are from Shein. So Shein अब बैन हो चुका है, but Shein के brushes की quality बहुत अच्छी होती थी, which I regret कि अब है नहीं. But you can definitely try generic brushes or any affordable brushes which are available on Amazon. बहुत अच्छी quality होती है उनकी भी. So yeah. So now I'm gonna keep it like this. So next I'm gonna take this in color glitter pencil in silver, I believe, and I'm gonna apply it onto my waterline. Next I'm gonna take this lash curler and I'm gonna curl my lashes like so. Next I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is a really nice mascara, like a really nice one. So I'm just gonna remove all the excess product and I just like to wiggle it on my eyes. So now I'm gonna apply some more blush to give some warmth to my face. I'm gonna do a slight bit of highlighting, and for that I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Precious Petals. So I recently got it. I've been using it ताकि मुझे पता चले कैसा लगता है. And that's pretty much it. And for my lips, I'm gonna apply this lipstick which I don't know मैंने कहाँ से ली थी. जो मुझे याद है मैंने Cuffs and Lashes में ली थी, but अब वो available नहीं है. To brighten it more, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Matte Ink in Versatile. So this is the finished look. This is my version of a natural glam and I really like it. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.